Are you struggling to attract leads to your website? Do you feel like you're just spinning your wheels without any real results? Don't worry. Today I'm going to share with you the right strategy to attract leads to your website. Let's dive right in. First is keyword research, attracting leads to your website by conducting thorough keyword research. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help you identify industry-specific terms that your target audience is searching for. Second is content marketing. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to create high-quality, informative content that addresses the queries and pain points of your target audience. By providing valuable information, you'll not only attract leads, but also establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Third is on-page SEO. Optimizing your website for search engines is crucial for attracting leads. Make sure to use your selected keywords judiciously across your website, especially in meta descriptions, headlines, and content. This will help improve your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. Fourth is backlinking. Building quality backlinks from reputable industry sites is another effective way to attract leads to your website. By getting other websites to link back to yours, you'll not only increase your website's authority, but also drive more traffic to your site. Fifth and last is analytics. It's important to monitor your website's performance through tools like Google Analytics. By tracking key metrics like traffic sources, user behavior, and conversion rates, you can identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So there you have it, the right strategy to attract leads to your website. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.